Students, in the earlier class we discussed about solutions of PDE, that is linear PDE, Lagrange's linear PDE of grouping method. Okay, so today we are going to discuss about Lagrange's linear PDE solution using method of multipliers. Okay, as we know, the Lagrange's linear PDE is PP plus QQ equal to R form. Okay, where P is d by d dou z by dou x and Q is dou z by dou y. Okay, so you write auxiliary equation. Auxiliary equation is dx by P equal to dy by Q equal to dz by capital R. Okay, again you rewrite 1 and 2 is one equation and 2 and 3 and 3 and 1 three equations. So that is dx by P equal to dy by Q. Okay, then dy by Q equal to dz by R. Okay, dz by R equal to dx by P. Okay, so by grouping method, equation 1 is solvable, either equation 1 is solvable or equation 2 is solvable or equation 2 is solvable or equation 3 is solvable. Okay, so out of 3 solvable equations or at least two solvable equations are required. Okay, so at least 2 solutions are required and those 2 solutions are, we are saying, u and v. Okay, so using u and v, we are writing phi of u comma v equal to 0 is the solution of a given PDE. That is a grouping method. Okay, suppose grouping method is doesn't exist. Doesn't exist means suppose it is solvable. Okay, so it is not solvable and it is not solvable. Okay, solvable or may not be, it may not be solvable. Okay, so the equations are not solvable but we require 2 solutions. Then we can use or we can suppose 3 multipliers. Those multipliers are known as Lagrange's multipliers and defined by L, M, N. Okay, L, M, N are our supposition. Okay, L, M, N are our supposition, and these L, M, N are called Lagrange's multipliers. So it satisfies, L, M, N satisfies. Okay, dx by P equal to dy by Q equal to dz by R equal to LDX MDY plus NDZ by, okay, LP MQ NR. Okay, so we are supposing, okay, suppose LMR, LMN are Lagrange's multipliers. Okay, this is our supposition. Okay, choose LMN such that means it satisfies dx by P equal to dy by Q equal to dz by R equal to LDX plus MDY plus NDZ by LP plus MQ plus NR. Okay, fourth term. Again you rewrite 1 and 4, 3 and 2 and 4 and 3 and 4. Okay, out of, again we have 3 different equations. Out of those 3 different equations, at least one solution is required. Okay, so suppose it is solvable and using this one and one solution is required, and then you say first one is u and second one is v. Okay, so then you write phi of u comma v equal to 0 is our solution. Suppose 1 and 3 and 2 and 3 and 2 and 4, out of 3 equations at least 2 solutions are required, but here is, suppose it fails to give 2 equations, then you take, this is L1 and M1 and N1 and L1 M1 N1, and you choose another 2 different multipliers, L2 M2 N2. Okay, suppose this condition, not solvable. So in that particular condition, we require 2 solutions, so that we require 2 set of Lagrange's multipliers. So set 1 is L1, M1, N1 and set 2 is L2, M2, N2. Okay, again you rewrite, this is equal to L2 dx, M2 dy N2 dz by L2p M2q N2z N2r. Okay, then so we extended one more term. We extended one more term. Okay, so then again, so 1 and 4 and 2 and 5 and 3 and 5 and again 4 and 5. So out of 4 different equations, so you can at least 2 equations will give two solutions. Okay, so those 2 solutions you will say nothing but u and v. Then write phi of u comma v equal to 0. Okay, very clear. So before getting the solution, just you check, write auxiliary equation. Okay, so is it soluble or not? Suppose it is soluble, no problem. That is u or v. Suppose not soluble, then go for supposition of LMN. Then write the condition LDX plus MDY plus NDZ by LP plus MQ plus NR. Okay, suppose all 3 equations are not soluble, but we require 2 solutions, then we choose 2 set of Lagrange's multipliers, that is L1 M1 N1 and L2 M2 N2, and again that satisfies these 2 conditions. Okay, then again rearrange 1 and 4 and 2 and 4, 3 and 4 and 4 and 4. Okay, then we have 4 different conditions and solve for different values. Okay, so that solution is v, right? U and v equal to 0. Okay, clear. Observe, suppose the Lagrange's the condition is this. So if LP plus MQ plus NR equal to 0. Okay, suppose this condition is applicable, this is equal to 0. You observe, in the denominator this is equal to 0, its value is 0. Okay, so this by 0, so take cross multiplication. Okay, so LDX plus MDY plus NDZ equal to 0 into this value or 0 into this value or 0 into this value equal to 0. Okay, so LDX plus MDY plus NDZ is soluble. It is soluble. So taking integration on both sides, so it is soluble. So we have solution, that is say v. Okay, so in the previous condition using auxiliary equation, so you say that your solution is u and this is v, then write phi of u comma v equal to 0 is the general solution. Okay, so solve px square plus qy square equal to z of x plus y. Okay, so this is of pp qq equal to r form. So here capital P is x square and q is y square and z is capital R is z into x plus y. Okay, write auxiliary equation dx by p, that is x square, and dy by q, that is y square, dz by r. Okay, z into x plus y. Clear. So take group dx by x square equal to dy by y square and dy by y square equal to dz by z into x plus y. Okay, and dz by z into x plus y equal to dx by x square. Okay, so dx by x square is soluble and dy by y square is integrable. Okay, so this condition is, first is integrable, therefore it is soluble. So it is soluble. So here you observe, so dy by y square is integrable, dz by z into x plus y is not integrable. So with respect to this, it is not soluble. So here also not soluble. So, but for getting solution, for writing solution of this PDE, okay, we required minimum 2 solutions. So from first equation we have 1 solution, but remaining 2 will not give the solution. Okay, then we can choose Lagrange's multipliers. Okay, choose Lagrange's multipliers LMN. Okay, so what is LMN? Just you observe. Okay, so take L equal to 1 and M equal to -1 and N equal to 0. Then the condition is, okay, so write dx by x square equal to dy by y square equal to dz by z into x plus y equal to lp plus ldx. So ldx plus mdy plus ndz by, okay, lp mq r equal to, where L equal to 1 dx minus 1 dy 0 into dz by L value is 1 into x square minus 1 into y square 0 into, okay, z into x plus y. So by simplifying, so this is the dx minus y by x square minus y square. Okay, so dx by x square equal to dy by y square equal to dz by z into x plus y equal to dx minus dy by, okay, x square minus y square, x square minus y square plus 0. So x square minus y square. Okay, so again you observe x square minus y square can be written as x minus y into x plus y. Okay, so here you observe, so x plus y and here is also x plus y get cancelled. So take third and fourth. Okay, so dz by z into x plus y equal to dx minus dy by, I am writing x square minus y square, I am writing x minus y into x plus y. Again you observe x minus y get cancelled. Okay, so dz by z equal to, so this is a derivative of x minus y by x minus y. So it is integrable, so that it is solvable. So take integral dz by z equal to x minus y by x minus y. So log z minus, I am writing right left side, log of x minus y equal to log c. Okay, so log of z by x minus y equal to log c1. I am writing log c1. Okay, c log get cancelled, z by x minus y equal to c1. Okay, this is 1. Again already here is a soluble equation. Here is a soluble equation. Okay, so take first one. So we have dx by x square equal to dy by y square. Okay, so take integration on both sides, integral. Okay, integral 1 by x square means x to the power of -2 plus 1. So that is -1 by x. -1 by x equal to -1 by y. Okay, plus constant c2. Or you write 1 by y minus 1 by x equal to c2. Okay, this is 2. So this is u and this is v. Say this is v or this is u. Therefore, general solution is phi of u comma v equal to 0. That means phi of, okay, what is u? 1 by y minus 1 by x, comma, and what is v? Z by x minus y equal to 0 is the required solution. Solve x into y minus z of p and plus y into z minus x of q equal to z into x minus y. So it is pp plus QQ equal to R form. Here P is x into y minus z and Q is y into z minus x and R is z into x minus y. Okay. So using we are grouping method, applying grouping method. So write auxiliary equation and again you are writing grouping method dx by x into y minus z equal to dy by y into z minus x. Similarly, we are writing dy by y into z minus x equal to dz by z into x minus y and dz by z into x minus y equal to dx by x into y minus x. Okay, and again we are observing here. So this is not solvable, this is not solvable, and it is not solvable, but we require two solutions so that we are going to identify Lagrange's multipliers. Okay, again you observe how the Lagrange's multipliers are identified. So this is xy minus xz. Okay, so here you observe minus xy plus xy minus xy get cancelled and minus xz. Okay, so this is a plus xz get cancelled again. Yz plus yz minus yz get cancelled. Okay, so by expanding all these terms and the sum of expansion of all these terms, all terms are get cancelled. So you can choose LMN or 1 1 1. Okay, so L1P, M1Q, N1R. Okay, so what is 1 1 1? 1 into P value is x into y minus z. 1 into Q value is y into z minus x and R value is 1 into z into x minus y. Okay, so again you observe here xy minus xz. Okay, and yz minus yx, zx minus zy. Okay, xy get cancelled, xz get cancelled, yz get cancelled. So it is equal to 0. So LP plus MQ plus NR equal to 0. When this is the node condition. Already we discussed in the explanation, that is the node condition. Okay, so when LP plus MQ plus NR equal to 0, then LDX plus MDY plus NDZ equal to 0. Okay, then L1 dx, M1 dy, N1 dz equal to 0. What is L1, M1, N1? 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1 dx, 1 dy, 1 into dz equal to 0. Okay, so integration on both sides, integral dx, integral dy, integral dz equal to constant c1. So integral of dx means 1, dy means y, integral of dz means z equal to c1. This is equal to, you say this is equal to u. Okay, next second one, you observe, you eliminate x, y, z. Okay, so when you eliminate x, y, z, you eliminate x, y, z. Again you observe here. So we have y minus z and x minus y and x minus y. So my plus y minus y get cancelled. Minus z plus z get cancelled. Minus x plus x get cancelled. So we can choose second multipliers, set of multipliers L2, M2, N2 equal to. Okay, so we are choosing, we are eliminating x, y, z by multiplication of 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. Okay, x get cancelled, y get cancelled, z get cancelled. Okay, so choose L2, M2, N2 equal to 1 by x, 1 by y, 1 by z. So take the condition L2P, M2Q, N2R equal to, what is L2? 1 by x into, okay, first term, x into y minus z, 1 by y into z minus x, 1 by z into x minus y. Okay, x cancelled, y cancelled, z cancelled. So we have y minus z, z minus x, x minus y. Again plus y minus y get cancelled. minus z plus z get cancelled, minus x plus x cancelled. So this condition is also equal to 0. Then same condition, L2 dx, M2 dy, N2 dz equal to 0. What is L2? 1 by x dx, 1 by y dy, 1 by z dz equal to 0. Okay, take integration on both sides. Integral 1 by x dx, integral 1 by y dy, integral 1 by z dz equal to take log c2, because integral of 1 by x is log x, 1 by y is log y, and 1 by z is log z. Okay, so this is log x, log y, log z equal to log c2. Okay, log a plus log b plus log c formula. So log of a plus a b c, that is x y z equal to log c2. Okay, log get cancelled, we have x y z equal to c2. Okay, so say this is equal to v, second function, v equal to x y z. Then the solution is, so solution is phi of u comma v equal to 0. So that is a phi of, okay, so x plus y plus z comma x y z equal to 0 is the required general solution.